this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmarks, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities also. First, give property location, attractions and landmarks. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of